Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial. I will guide you through some features inside the retouch section of the Magic Touch panel. For this tutorial I will be using some Deposit Photos images, so if you want to follow along you can of course buy them or download them and do exactly what I'm doing in this tutorial. Okay, so let's zoom in this image and let's see how the lips glow works. I'm doing this tutorial because quite a lot of people sent us an email about this feature, so I thought it would be nice to start with this tutorial. So you have just go to the retouch section of the Magic Touch panel, and if skin is open, of course go to lips because we want to work on lips, and just press glow, and basically that's it. As you can see, you have a folder with black mask and basically the glow effect with custom selection. So what you have to do now is just select the brush tool, be sure that the white color is set on the foreground color, set your opacity. Now I'm using 100%, but you can, for example, lower the flow, and you can just paint on the areas which are already ready to glow. So just enhance what naturally is supposed to have something, to have more light, right? So let's see a before and after. As you can see, it's already glowing without doing basically nothing. Let's see the same thing on another photo. So let's go, for example, here. Let's zoom in. Of course you need to retouch these lips, but this is just an example. Go to lips, glow. We already have the white brush, and now you can just brush on the parts where you want to add some glow. Let's see another image, for example this. So let's make glow those lips. So select the mask and let's paint on the areas we want to enhance, so something like this, right? Okay, and now you can close this folder or you can leave it open, but I prefer to close it. Go to hair, and we have something very similar here, so we can add some highlights. So let's click there. Same situation, you have the black mask, take the white brush, set the size, be sure that the hardness is at 0%, and just paint on the highlights of these hairs. So something like this. And before and after, before and after. As you can see, you can do it also like this, like flow 100%. And you will do it much more faster, right? So something like this. So before, after, before, after. Of course you can lower the opacity and reduce the final effect, right? So now we can also use, for example, the darken or the dodge and burn. So let's use darken first. Let's go to darken. Let's zoom in, and now we can darken some areas in order to create more contrast, right, where we need. So now the overall effect has some more 3D dimension. So you can play basically with the light areas and dark areas in order to give to your image the final look you are looking for, right? So something like this would be nice. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial, guys. So remember, in lip section we have glow, So we can add some luminosity to lips and enhance the light which is already there. And on this other image we used hair section highlights in order to highlight the highlights of the hair, and darken in order to darken the dark areas of the hairs. Okay, so that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope it helped you to understand better how to use the Magic Touch panel, and see you in the next tutorial.